Couple times, up and down.
Oh. Yeah.
Wow. Are these 12-inch ports? Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. You in line? Okay. Hello.
Hey, God, my buddy. He's trying to make everybody famous, y'all.
So what's your name, equipment first?
Sonny Smith. We have 4 18-inch resilient sound platinums on a base 20K, 2 EH5 lithium 40 amp hour batteries, a single JS 360 alternator, Fat Boy Regulator, Kenwood deck, and Panda knobs.
Panda knobs, all right. nice little wrap around your
Yeah, they say subs get hot if you leave a magnet on.
Really? I didn't think about that.
Put them in the box, it lets them breathe more.
That's a good idea. And it doesn't affect motor force.
No.
Because it's just a wrap casing.
Absolutely not.
Nice. You just taught me and some other people something. So what's your meter score?
159.8.
Really? Dude, you're that close.
That close and just cannot get it. I mean,
wow.
It's been consecutive 3 shows.
Have you tried adjusting your seat?
Yes.
So you tried almost everything.
I mean,
wow.
I'm going to actually go inside the box and probably drop a half a cube to push a little
Raise
more.
that peak 1 or 2 hertz. Yeah.
But I want to keep everything under 40 hertz because everything I do is at 39 hertz and under.
Really? Okay.
I don't.
Yes, sir. Thank you for the demo.
For everybody in audio, thank you for what you do. Man, you make it happen.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, man.
I'm honored.
Can I see the back?
Sometimes a little Yes, sir.
All right.
More than happy to open it up for you. Oh.
He's showing us the back.
I'm about to say. Now, if you want to work out, you just grab this thing, guys.
Couple times up and down.
Yeah.
Wow. Are these 12-inch ports?
Yes, sir.
Whoa. What is it tuned to then?
39.
39. There you go. 39 hertz.
It's tuned at 35, peaks at 39. No matter what Jeep I've ever seen, every one of them peaks 5 hertz higher than what you're tuned down.
Bet you gain a 0.1 or 2 if you put a round over right there. Have you tried that yet?
We'll find
Just
out.
the way the wave travels.
We'll find out.
It's a
Watch
good
me, I go home, I'm gonna take a router to it. I'm like, Jake, I'm gonna make a live
Not a
video
router. Don't do router first. First do just a PVC or something
and
to
try.
smooth it, because you don't want to do a permanent change.
It ain't gonna hurt it. Even if it didn't help it, it ain't gonna hurt it. So
Yeah, that's true.
that way I'll make a live video of that. This goes.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.